Hello everyone, just a very quick video to wish all my subscribers and viewers a very happy new year. It's New Year's Eve in the UK at the time of filming this. Still got a few hours to go until, of course, New Year's Day. So whatever country you're watching this video in, I hope you all have a very happy new year. Keep yourself safe and keep yourself warm if you're going out there to enjoy the festivities, or if you're staying at home and having a nice meal and spending it with friends and family. Whatever you're doing, have a good one, and I hope 2020 proves to be the best year ever for all of us. Also, another reason I'm making this quick video is to ask you if you want to ask me a question. Now, I often do, well, not often, but at least once a year at this sort of time, I do a Q&A video session. Now, I've done some shout out videos. They should be on my channel now or very shortly. I've done a shout out video for my youngest subscribers or youngest viewers. And if you want a shout out, or preferably if you've got a question, a vacuum cleaner related question you'd like to ask me, you can comment below this video and I will do my best to answer it, and of course give you a shout out at the same time. If you just want me to say hello, that's fine, but it would be better if you could think of a question. Questions not to ask include, what is your favorite vacuum cleaner? Because I haven't got one. I'll tell you now, I do not have a single favorite vacuum. But if you want to narrow it down to, I don't know, what's my favourite vacuum cleaner that's red with a smiley face on? I might be able to tell you that, but anyway. Try and think of an interesting question, possibly one that I've not answered before, but I probably will have answered it at some point. But if you haven't heard my answer, feel free to ask the question under this video only, because then I've got all your questions together, and when I make the response video, I can just have my iPad on my lap and I can go through. So I'll give you a shout out and answer your question at the same time. If you don't want to do that, that's fine, but I still wish you a happy new year. But if you do want to have a shout out, if you've got a question, now is the time to do it. Under this video only, please. And in a few days time, in 2020, I'll do the response video. So that's all I've got to do. You can see I've got a few vacuums behind me. That I had behind me when I was doing the shout out video for my younger viewers, but lots and lots of vacuum content to come, lots and lots for 2020, so lots to look forward to. But in the meantime, if you've got a question, ask it now below the video, and I'll see you all very soon for my answers. Bye for now.